was supposed to meet Brian, but I have the hinting suspicion that he's still asleep. I think he's just not checking his phone. Never mind, he's right there. Clearly I underestimated him. He's like, my hair looks bad. I'm like, bro, it's not like the hot chicas are checking up my YouTube channel.
Hey, it's a compliment, bro. I'm saying it could happen, right?
I think my viewer base is like 96% guys. So I mean, hey.
So, bro, I gotta look good for the homies, alright?
Hey, yo, wait.
The fuck is not moving? Alright. Now
we're good, hey! I don't wear glasses when I play basketball. We're playing horse, and we're both on our last letters. And Brian made a rule that we have to end on a half-court shot, so.
This goes out to a very special girl in my life.
I'm not gonna say who it is.
Whoa! I would say the same thing, but I ain't got no special ladies. Applications are open. Come on.
Alright, to all the baddies and the shawties out there, couldn't possibly give less of a shit about you. This one's for the boys.
Come on. Listen, I'm gonna be honest. This is taking way too long. That's why they call me the finisher. Yeah. That's why they call me the... What? How? Go!
I may not be that tall or like that strong or that well endowed, but I do have some great genes when it comes to being clutch as fuck.
So swipe right, we're going through this Tinder. Look, I'm trying to give you a chance, you know?
What do you mean, give me a chance? You're eliminating all of my possible candidates. Whoa. No shot. Oh my goodness. Hey, yo. She's from New Jersey? Dude. What is wrong with you?
She's from New Jersey.
So? You have family in New Jersey? Would you swipe left on them? You know, like, metaphorically, like, reject. That's what I mean by swipe left. Dude, come on, vlog, please. Don't misconstrue that.
Oh, dude, I can't watch.
I can't watch. Makes you throw my future away.
What, your future wife is on this app? How much ketchup he gets?
Bro, it's not even that much.
That's a lot of ketchup, man. That building right there, that orange, and that courtyard around it, I made my last film at SAS there, Jack of Hearts. It's kind of weird being higher than Marina Bay. Never done that before. I don't usually get Starbucks, but they wrote "Stay safe, enjoy" on mine. Hey Brian, what'd they write on yours, buddy? Oh, there's nothing. Oh no, there's nothing.
You're cute. Can I get your number?
All right, we've made it to the Merlion.
Follow me, baby, I won't let you leave if you believe in me. And I always set you free from all those yes and yes. But you don't know how much I got believing you.
Bro, where are the hoes at?
Oh my God. You know what, bro? I'll text one right now. I got you, man.
All right. Yeah.
Oh my God.